there's no more rewarding field than medicine to be able to both help people and also satisfy that intellectual curiosity. Many of the neurological conditions are very debilitating for patients, and being able to make a difference in their lives has been a big part of why I chose neurology. My subspecialty area is neuroimmunology and multiple sclerosis. Sometimes it's weakness, sometimes it's sensory problems, sometimes it's vision problems, sometimes it's balance problems. So it's any neurological symptom that's a possibility. The patients that I see have either a question or a confirmed diagnosis of multiple sclerosis or other related autoimmune central nervous system neurological disorders. They usually come to see me either for a confirmation of the diagnosis or ruling out the diagnosis, or establishing care with us for continued follow-up for ongoing treatments. I try to get to know the patient and gather as much information as possible, whether that's the clinical history that's led them to the visit with me, obtain a detailed neurological exam, which is going to help us localize the problem, whether that's MRI scans, blood test results, cerebrospinal fluid results, or other diagnostic information that's available, and then trying to formulate a plan going forward. As a patient, you'd be confident that you're being treated by a specialist who's undergone extensive training in the field, and we have access to the latest technology that's available, whether that's MRI scanners or the latest blood test or the spinal fluid testing, the diagnostic testing that's available. So unfortunately, many of the disorders that we treat are chronic, debilitating neurological conditions. But part of that entitles me to establish very rewarding and long-term relationships with the patients that hopefully I can support them through the journey with the best available treatment option for them. When I'm not at the hospital, there's a few things that I like to do to decompress. Some of that includes picking up winter sports here in Cleveland. So I've been able to pick up skiing and snowboarding, which has been really fun. I also like to explore and hike as much as possible when the season allows it.